Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Energy Conservation Act 2001. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. In order to facilitate the achievement of more ambitious climate change targets, the government is seeking to strengthen a 20-year law called the Energy Conservation Act of 2001. Now let's discuss about Energy Conservation Act of 2001. It has defined standards for energy conservation and efficiency to be followed by a select group of industries and commercial complexes. It sets up the Bureau of Energy Efficiency or BEE to promote the use of more efficient processes and equipment in order to save energy. As per the Act, the government can issue energy savings certificates to those industries which consume less than their maximum allotted energy. Consumers who utilize excess energy will be penalized according to their excess consumption. Now moving on to the proposed amendments. The amendment has defined the minimum share of renewable energy to be consumed by industrial units or any establishment. There is incentivizing of efforts to use clean energy by issuing carbon saving certificates. It also talks about the strengthening of institutions set up originally under the Act, such as the BEE. It will facilitate the promotion of green hydrogen as an alternative to the fossil fuels used by industries. It includes larger residential buildings under energy conservation standards to promote sustainable habitats. Currently, only large industries and their buildings come under the ambit of the Act. Now let's discuss about carbon market. The creation of a domestic carbon market is one of the most significant provisions of the proposed amendment bill. Carbon markets allow the trade of carbon credits with the overall objective of bringing down emissions. The provisions relating to setting up a new carbon market are described in Article 6 of the Paris Agreement. Under the Kyoto Protocol, carbon markets have worked at the international level as well. The Kyoto Protocol had prescribed emission reduction targets for a group of developed countries. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding Energy Conservation Act 2001. 1. It has defined standards for energy conservation and efficiency to be followed by a select group of industries and commercial complexes. 2. This law set up the Bureau of Energy Efficiency or BEE to promote the use of more efficient processes in order to save energy. Which of the above mentioned statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.